Yes. You see, in the past administrations, no quote on a very heavy scandal. Tene kwari.
Go kufururini.
Yes. No still enough velocity as you call it to see the nayo.
Ciukaga itunguhite.
So in recent times we have the NYS 1. Ciukaga gina seasons. NYS 1, NYS 2. We have the what the okonya kera ra kora.
Kemsa.
No, kore wana forward. Ona ni ore ido. We have the water gate kana yata go do.
Chicken gate.
Yeah.
Ile autagia ginya maabitha IBC.
Yes.
Oswago.
Yone. Chicken gate scandal. Yes.
No, scandal is in Kenya. Simeta guko igathio ruiro.
Aroro Ed
Kimwarer. Those ones are recent.
Those are very recent. And you don't know which other ones are coming.
Akina Anglo
leasing. Yes. You see, back then, especially the millennials that were in the 90s, we only knew one scandal. Now, not to Ginyaka yet the Goldenberg
scandal.
Now, do I go to Tiahara and Yaniki? Todo kiugo billion nigetinda kinya rugongo tene.
Asa billion ni twajia ri ukumita uko wega thutha mutheri.
Yes.
We could not fathom what a billion is.
We could not. Actually, even your stretch of imagination. Biashara ya no kuena demwa. Ona mundu wa igiona million ni emwe. Tot walikiri Anderson waweru. Mohoro makameme kayo kamuigi monjoria wega to kamlesh part ni go kinyo igoti na thitago ya ungumania wa Goldenberg ya muigana wa billion muko
billion iko igana tatia
ona ndo meciagia ati Anderson wa ru ni home nayo na mundu uga eteigwa bebe kaopa
ya billion ya ka billion
ya billion. We would not fathom what a billion is. Neither would our parents.
Hey, billion.
Yeah.
B.
You see, one, there was no fun. Yeah, the odo egekinya ko at that local level. Ira utani na bezeta issue. Eto no you are NGCDF. Okay, you are county allocation. Yes. Capitation, what have you? No, people never used to talk figures then.
Dia kana ona economy no gu yakire nini.
Yes.
A billion.
The shilling was very strong. Yes. Look at a billion. You know, there's a time the shilling was trading for only around $40
against the dollar,
or even that. Yes.
You can weekend.
You know, you are I'm not boarding.
Miguna.
Yes. Now we are quite the economy to have to anagana Singapore.
In the kwerago guo.
Yes. No makia bazia. Rugo do ge yure ona million ni magana.
Akio rugo na ndora metagwo itonga ri.
Yes.
Waigua ati ucio ni millionaire.
Yes.
Millionaire.
And sometimes they are not even millionaires. To akura ntu amenye nyumba iria makite ri. They are very cheap.
No, by the then standards.
Yes.
Mari marodi.
No. Wakura no one was a very ramshackle of a house. No, nyumba ya community is not very expensive. Kulikana unato imaginaga. Yes.
No, you told them when I'm a guru wa juli.
Yes.
You thought they were.
You are more ini. Mojoria wega tuketan somaya.
Naga mega scandal CGG.
Yes.
Bururi uyu ri. He kaundu ihutanagia na andu akuma na ha India.
Andu na India ri. Ni mamenyaga muno. Ka Asia ine kau. Yes.
South of Asia.
Yes. So no igwa ne party. Na isoka kihingura kanitha.
Then there is a recent one.
Yes.
Of just
Adeni.
Na matigwetanagio na mbia nini.
Hapana. Yes. No, there's a time this country utiari horo a scandal icio do. Okay, maybe tutiakire uniform. Maundu matiatifukaga.
But wira uria warutĩirwo Goldenberg uthuthuria wa Goldenberg scandal.
Yes.
Ĩrĩa atongoragia etagwo atĩa judge ũcio? Justice Bosire.
They used to have sittings at the KICC.
Televised every day.
Every day. And they used to be very interesting because you would see Wakili Gibson come out Korea. You would see this veteran, Haminwa.
Haminwa.
Yes, Pharaoh's Norigi. Yes. You would see this young man. What is his name?
Nani huyo?
The Law Society of Kenya.
PLO.
Not PLO. The warrior guy. What Tia Grand Mula? There was the other one. Tia Ahmed Nasir Abdullahi. There was the other one. Philip Murgo.
Yes. Murgo.
We're going to argument. You my lord. My lord. Yes.
Natiga Goldenberg scandal. Gutiro ndungi wa scandal icio cianekeka bururi uyu. Uri wekwo in a very open manner.
Yes.
In a big way the Goldenberg scandal.
Never mind the findings were shelved. Scam. Orosi wathire haria tuonire kwanayanwo report yo. I think it's collecting dust because no one was jailed.
Goldenberg.
Makirio kwathani ni turakimona.
Ago ne kuohirwo andu.
Yes.
Ni andu very small.
Ona heo mwe we iguru muno. Wagwatanagio no horo riku.
No horo cio. Kiria ciikite thutha ni kuingiha cingihite.
Yes.
Na igatunguhia mbeca.
Ni iratunguhia kigina. Yes.
Billion.
B.
Thomire what a billion is.
No, we would not have. Yes.
Riu cia gwetirwo cia mabilioni nginya twitiga kuhahuka ni billion.
B ya kinyira rũgongo wa ciana cikiuga billion. Yes.
Oya ndo igua guku mundu umwe ni arakiucirwo gukorwo ni augumetie
B
ona ti imwe.
Yes.
Cigana ona.
And he's as small man as a governor, not the president.
Yes. Weciria ngane Akenya nĩ twa conditionirwo tukimenyera until we no longer ask.
Yes. Anywho,
Sini Kenya.
We are the billionaire. Actually, na budget itu ne authire trillion.
Budget ye trillion. Nikio kuraiyika B.
The first trillion budget was read by Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta. When he was finance minister. Yes.
Na gukomba riu twi matirilioni.
Ukomba ri. Ona atukombi magiuga othe mauge maratutaha umuthi ri. Gwicia bũrũri ũngĩtigwo kino.
Atukomberi mangĩtua mokero rimwe.
Mauge nĩ marenyũra na bũrũri.
Like a vida 50 wadu.